This is a follow-up video from the full detail that we did on Amos's BMW 435, where we put the Adams graphene ceramic coating on the car, which did a great job, but we had a really hard time with the wheels, just getting them clean, because at the time I didn't have the right products that I knew of to clean the tires and do what I wanted it to do. So today we're going to spend some time working on those wheels and getting them clean. You'll see here from the initial shot that there are some lighter spots. That's actually from Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. And I was trying some other products. This is Chemical Guy's Diablo Wheel Cleaner, which has worked really well on my clean wheels or things that aren't too dirty. It's a decent cleaner, and it seems to not be doing the job here, whether I spray it on. And that's at full strength, I'm spraying it on there, so it's not diluted in water. It didn't do much, but we did give it a try. Tried to rinse it off. Didn't do too much, but at this point we realized that these spots were from the Adams. We further tested that out by going here to the back wheel and taking the little bit of product I had left, trying to spray it down here and see if we got the same kind of results, which in fact we did. So the rest of the video, took a break here and I ordered some same-day delivery of the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner, and we're going to see how it works cleaning all of the cars. So stay tuned for the rest. So good old Amazon, same day shipping. They got that to me yesterday afternoon, which means today I can come in and finish up the video. So we'll do that now using this Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner. So since I got the overnight, or actually the same day delivery, it's the next morning, I went back and wanted to get these wheels done because I actually did another video later in the day on another car, which we'll show pretty soon. So we get the Adams Wheel and Tire Cleaner sprayed on there. We let it sit for a little bit. You can see immediately that it is starting to work. Next I go into my brush arsenal. I get a small brush, just kind of getting into some of the harder to reach places. And I realize that for my first pass that I really just need to get a big old brush out and get some brute force going to see how much progress we can make on this wheel. You can see it's there's a lot of dirt and it's coming off pretty well, but it's not going to come off in the first pass. It's going to take a good 3 different passes on this wheel, as you can see here from working in and out. This is the Chemical Guy's wool wheel brush. It's all right. It clumps up a little bit. Just trying out different products. These wheels are horribly tight, so you can see that nothing I have is going to get in there the way I want it to. So I still have a ways to go before I can find the right brushes and get to all these different types of tires. But, it's a work in progress. It's learning as we go as well. I think the important thing is I found a really good cleaner that tends to work. It's not too pricey when you talk about how much effort you use to use it. Of course, I did go through a lot of product on this wheel, and throughout on this car, I went through probably two of those 16-ounce bottles overall to get these wheels clean. But now they're going to be easy to clean once we move forward. So you can see from that first rinse that there is still quite a bit of gunk really into the corners. So I'm going to get back in there a little bit more. Another spray. This time I don't let it sit for quite as long. I really just get in there with a brush. Try to get those corners as best as possible. So enjoy watching the rest of these tires get cleaned. I'll put it on the speeded up mode so you can not have to sit through a whole ton of different stuff, but it's pretty much the same process. Spray it on, get into the nooks and the crannies as much as possible, use different brushes where possible, rinse it off, see what work is left to be done, and then repeat the process until your results are as desired. So keep on watching. Okay, so after shot. These wheels look a lot better than they did. That's a couple years worth of grime, off with a little bit of good cleaner and some elbow grease. If you like this, if you want to see more like this, let me know what you'd like to see, and make sure you splash that like button and subscribe button. Thanks for watching.